What's up, everyone? Hope you're all having a blessed day. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. Usually I do a trail riding video with my 2020 Suzuki King Quad 500. Today I want to do a little instructional video. I bought an attachment, and it is this Swisher 44-inch universal dump bucket. That is what it's called if you plan on ordering it. Very handy. But it had to have this, a mount that underneath your four-wheeler in order to mount the bucket on. Mounts on the front end right here. So I haven't seen any videos on YouTube. Now I've seen a lot of videos of people using their dump bucket on their four-wheeler, but I haven't seen any on how to install it. So I had to learn hands-on when I ordered it, looking at the instructions and just messing around with it. So I'm just going to give you a few tips. And I don't really think my four-wheeler was really designed for it, but I did make it work. First, I want to show you the brackets that I had to attach under here on both sides. I was planning on putting it right here, flat, but I was afraid it would rub on this here or maybe on the rim. So I put it kind of at an angle. And it comes with 3 different types of brackets that you can use. This one here is the shorter one. The other one was a little longer, and then there was some C, I guess they're called C brackets or U brackets, whatever, that you could have made. I could have put it somewhere up here, but it was too close. But here's the other side. Same way, kind of angled. And this is what those go on. This here's a pin, goes up on that bracket. I'll show you that later. Here's the leaf spring I had to put on. It's 2 pieces. Got this here, these 2 flat plates, 4 bolts. Put that on, and there's no specific place to put them. You'll just have to, when you put it up there, you'll have to figure out exactly where it needs to go. And here's the other part. Let me get over here. This is a C channel, and then the solid square tubing that goes inside, and you can adjust it for length. This is the farthest up I could get it because I needed it really long to fit under my four-wheeler. I got a very big four-wheeler. And then back here, this, and I'll show this later as well. I'll show it assembled. Goes on this part, goes underneath here with a big bolt. Here's the problem I had though. When I had my bucket on, if I hit something too hard, this would slide back, and I've got these pretty tight. I mean, as tight as I could possibly get them, both of them. And even this, if this is mounted underneath your four-wheeler, and these ain't going nowhere, but when this slides, this will slide back a little, and then your leaf springs will kind of get all messed up. So you really have to have these super tight and these super tight. But it doesn't matter. If you hit something very hard, it's going to slide back. So my plan, I've got this bolt here. I'm going to drill a hole right here and put these, I'll put it underneath. I have the, or like this. I'll show that in a minute. so that will be a stopper, so it can't slide back. All right, so there you go. Got that bolt in there. Now you can see kind of what I had in mind to stop this here from sliding back. And I just wanted to point out, I could have put one here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. Put it on this side. There to stop it. But I would have had to buy one of these bolts, which was, it's a 3.5 inch bolt. So I had one of these handy. Thought I would just use that. So I thought I would answer a few more questions, just for anybody that was wondering. This bucket was $530, $530, and the mounting bracket was $170. So altogether about $700. That was the cheapest that I could find, both items. All right, so I got it under there, and I've got this block to hold the back end up just until I get it mounted. And what I'm going to have to do is raise this up and put it on both ends on these brackets. Okay, so there's the back, there's the bolt holding that up, and I got it pinned up right there and over there, and that's what it looks like underneath. So once you get pulled up to the bucket, very simple. I'll get on this side. You get this bar here. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but I may have to scoot back a little bit. There we go. Yep, I'll have to put the camera down. I'll put this through here. So yeah, just like that. The sparkles through here. You got a pin on this side and one on that side. And then pull that out, hook it there, and you got your rope here. That just lays up top here, and then you're good to go. What do? Roll your winch in. Gotta be careful not to go too far. Right about there, as much as it'll go. But that's pretty high. And then of course, you got your string you pull when you get ready to dump. Dumps like that. And you have to back up when you lower your winch, because you see it's stuck like that. I'll have to back up. But pretty much when you back up, the bucket tilts and it locks back this. But anyway, that's my video. Hope you all enjoyed it, learned something. Any questions, feel free to comment.